Hi class, this is Irina O'Hara, and today I'm going to walk you through how to create a magnifying glass using CSS shapes. For this I am going to use CodePen. I like it because I can type some code and see what it does immediately. So I'm going to start with creating just one HTML element. In this case it's a div with a class, and I'm going to call it glass. So in my CSS I'm going to create some properties for this class. I'm going to start with display inline block. And then I am going to give it a width of 0.4 amps and the same height. And then I am going to add a border of 0.1 amp solid red. Okay, now I can actually see this little square right here. I'm gonna make it a little larger. Give it a size of 10 amps. And I'm going to use a border radius property to make a circle out of a square. Border radius of 0.35 amp. Okay, so now we have 50% of our shape of magnifying glass. Next thing that I'm going to do is use before pseudo class. What it does, it allows us to add more content before the element that we just created. But in this case, I am going to specify there is content blank. If I type something in it, you can see where it is right now, but I don't really need to type anything, so I'm gonna keep it blank for now. Display inline block, and then I am going to give it a background, red background, so I can see it, and width of 0.35 amps and a height of 0.08 amps. And now I can see my element, which is going to be a handle for my magnifying glass. I'm going to position this before element absolute. And for this to work, I also need to add position relative to the circle element. And now I can manipulate where my handle is going to be with a right property. I'm going to give it minus 0.25 amps, and I want it at the bottom, so I'm going to use bottom property of minus 0.1 amp. Okay, and one more thing that I need to do is to rotate my shape. Transform rotate, and I give it 45 degrees. Okay, and now our shape looks like a magnifying glass. And I hope that was helpful. Thank you so much.